Hi guys, welcome to Tuesday Talks with the Sequeras. So today's Tuesday Talks is about my first marriage, my divorce and child custody. So the reason why I chose to speak on this today is because I have couple of friends, mutual friends and relatives, and I have people reaching out to me asking me about the struggles of this, or maybe they are going through this in life. So I just chose to come here and talk about it. So let's start. So this is going to be anonymous. I am not naming anyone, any user IDs who've asked me these questions, because I believe it's good to keep such things, such personal things, confidential. So let's begin. First question is, I need tips on weaning of breastfeeding from a strong mother like you. So thank you, and all mothers are strong. You are very strong. And to wean off breastfeeding, to be very honest, I started working when Hriday was hardly 10 days, because I did not have any other option. I used to come from my clinic every 2 hours and feed him, like breastfeed him. But मी साईड बाय साईड मिल्क पावडरसुद्धा सुरू केल्या होत्या. आणि विनिंग ऑफ ते का झालं वॉज बिकॉज वेन हृदय वॉज हार्डली आय थिंक 3 months, मी तेव्हाच कॉर्पोरेट जॉब करायला लागलेली, लाईक 8 to 5. सो आय वॉज अवे फ्रॉम हिम फॉर अ व्हेरी लाँग टाईम. आणि मम्मी आजी सगळेच मला म्हणायचे की एकदा दूध एवढ्या आजसाठी साठलं तर ते आपण बाळाला नाही दिलं पाहिजे. सो आय वुड कम होम, I would pump off the milk, I would pump milk in the office. Like I did a lot of things, and eventually in this, you know, in all this, Hriday, म्हणजे तो आपोआपच he started weaning off. आणि ती तशी जर्नी होती. बट आय बिलीव इफ यू वॉन्ट टू स्टार्ट, म्हणजे आजी म्हणते, मम्मी म्हणतात की कारलं असतं ना, त्याचा ज्यूस आपल्या ब्रेस्टला लावून ठेवायचा, सो दॅट मुलाला थोडं कडू कडू लागतं. अँड लीव द चाइल्ड, फीड द चाइल्ड इनफ की त्याला भूक, तिला किंवा त्याला भूक जास्त लागू नये. आणि कधी कधी टू बी व्हेरी ऑनेस्ट ना, हे मुलं खूप स्मार्ट असतात, त्यांचं पोट भरलेलं असतं पण त्यांना नुसतं ना ते चोकत बसायला आवडतं. बट या, टेक हेल्प फ्रॉम experts. I am not an expert, but this is what I did. So let's go to another question. मी ना ॲक्च्युली मम्मीचा फोन यूज करते, कारण की इकडे रिच तर नाही आहे, आणि मम्माच्या फोनची सेटिंग्स मला जास्त काय माहीत नाही आहेत. बट लेट्स सी, तो थोडा टाईम लागेल. ओके, सो you are the strongest and best. Thank you. What was the reason for separation? Why did you break up? What made you back out from your first marriage? Was your marriage arranged or love? Your Hriday is too cute. Be blessed always. No, we do not want to know anything about your past. We just want to embrace your beautiful present. Thank you for these kind words. And regarding my separation, so I am not here to defame anyone, and it's just ki that person is, see, everyone is good. He is of course a very good individual, but we together did not work out. आमचे कल्चरल डिफरेंसेस खूप होते. And eventually, after a period of time, I started realizing that no, this is not going to work. No matter what I do, no matter what he does, some things are just not in our control. And at that time, the best thing I could do with my life was to part my ways with him. and that's what I did. And no, it wasn't easy. It was not easy for me, it was not easy for him, it was not easy for both the families. But eventually, uh, my family supported me, his family supported him, and we both went through a lot of struggles. Okay, like I never believe in defaming anyone. कधी कधी भांडण होतात. अँड आय गॉट मॅरिड व्हेरी यंग रे. आय वॉज जस्ट लाईक 22-23. तेव्हा आपण असे डिसिशन्स घेतो, इम्पल्सिव्ह डिसिशन्स घेतो. बट हॅविंग सेड दॅट, वी बोथ इव्हॉल्व्ड विथ टाईम. वी बोलतात ना, आम्ही मॅच्युअर झालो. अँड our divorce went on for a very long time, like around 5.5 to 6 years. We fought our divorce because we were not coming together on, you know, the consent terms, because a child was involved. But eventually we went through it, and that's how that was why. So the question was why I separated. So it was just because आमचं नाही पटायचं, आणि कितीही आम्ही प्रयत्न केलं तरी ते नाहीच पटणार होतं. आम्हा दोघांना ते कळून आलेलं. Because असतं, you just know, no matter what. It was a love marriage. He was yeah, we both were in love with each other, but eventually with time things changed, and it's okay, and it's okay. Moving on to the next question. What was your favorite moment in your first marriage? I think the day I got married to him. Tell me about your second and third son. Sure. I don't know. But yeah, if at all we plan children, Rij and me, I will definitely tell you about our future children. How soon did you inform Hriday about it? And how did Hriday react to this entire situation? So, fortunately or unfortunately, we were separated right from I was pregnant. So Hriday actually did not have an encounter with him. And eventually in the beginning, जोपर्यंत तो घरी होता, I don't think he even knew what a father is, or you know, a family includes a father, because he just knew कि हाँ, mama is there. But I think when he started schooling, no, I remember this one day when he just came to me and he asked that, Mama, everyone has two parents. Why do I have only one? And that was the time I realized that, you know, आता मला हृदयला सांगायला हवं. So I just told him that, no baby, you also have two parents. It's just that your parents are separated. And then he asked me that why are they separated. I said just because, you know, आमचं नाही पटायचं, so we are separated. So Hriday was very chill and cool about this entire situation, because we at home also never hyped it. Like, we were okay. And trust me guys, आपण जसं मुलांचा समोर रिॲक्ट करतो ना, तसंच ते राहतात. जर मी त्या सिच्युएशनला पहिल्यापासूनच असं केलं असतं दॅट हो, तर तो पण मे बी त्यांनी पण तसंच रिॲक्ट केलं असतं. बट आय वॉज व्हेरी काम अँड कूल अबाउट दिस सिच्युएशन, बिकॉज मला नको हवं होतं की त्याला काही सायकोलॉजिकली ती गोष्ट अफेक्ट करावी. दॅट्स वाय. That's very brave. More happiness and power to you. Thank you. Power to you. So, माझी बहीण आहे ना, इनफॅक्ट दोन्ही पण माझ्या बहिणी, they are very particular about, you know, all these pronunciations and all that. So now that I said power, no, they'll be like, दीदी ते power नसतं, power असतं. So power to you. So moving on to the next question. Were your parents supportive? Of course. I survived only because my parents were so supportive. Not only my parents, I think my entire family, my sisters, I have two sisters, and few of my friends, my entire friend circle, मी जिथेही होती, they were very supportive, because of course days were tough. I would cry, I would have my low days and all of it. But yeah, I was blessed with good people. I am blessed with good people around me who always supported me, be it my office, be it my, like, wherever I went, my friends, my college, my, like, just anywhere, everywhere and anywhere I went, people were always supportive आणि अजूनही सपोर्ट करतात. सो या, टचवूड टचवूड टचवूड. How did you manage or process your thoughts and emotions? Of course, emotions. It was a roller coaster ride, you know, guys. Honestly, it was not easy because, of course, it was a marriage. It's a love marriage. Before my marriage, also, we spent a good amount of time with each other. So, emotion wise, of course, it's not easy. And I had my ups and downs, I had my breakdowns. But I used to always keep myself busy. One thing I would do is I would never sit idle. I would keep myself busy, constantly working, working, working. If any of my office colleagues or my team leaders or any of you is watching this, you all might know this. I used to work, work and work. म्हणजे I was ready to take each and every work, grasp every opportunity, आणि बिकॉज माझं माइंड ऑक्युपाईड राहायचं. सो हॅज टू कीप वर्किंग. जर ऑफिसचं नाही तर मी घरी काय ना काय करायची. आणि आय जस्ट केप इनफॅक्ट जेव्हा कोविड चालू होतं, ॲज इन द पॅन्डेमिक, आम्ही घराच्या बाहेर निघू नव्हतो शकत. आणि दॅट वॉज द टाईम विच म्हणजे असे खूप इमोशन्स आपल्यामध्ये होते, बिकॉज वी ऑल डिडंट नो व्हॉट इज हॅपनिंग. कायच नव्हतं. लाईक दॅट एंटायर फेज, दॅट पॅन्डेमिक फेज, यू ऑल विल ऑल्सो अग्री टू मी, इट वॉज हॉरेबल. घरी बसून बसून करायचं काय, एवढे विचार यायचे. सो आय यू ऑल माइट बी नोईंग, आय स्टार्टेड विथ दिस स्मॉल होम बिझनेस. मी चॉकलेट्स बनवून विकायला लागली, ओनली टू कीप माय सेल्फ बिझी, सो दॅट इफ नॉट एनी, बिकॉज ते असतं जे बोलतात ते खरंच असतं. एम्प्टी माइंड इज अ डेव्हिल्स वर्कशॉप. सो फॉर दॅट व्हेरी गुड रिझन आय केप्ट माय सेल्फ ऑलवेज बिझी, सो दॅट आय कॅन नेवर सिट आयडल अँड ॲक्च्युली थिंक. आणि अजून एक गोष्ट मी सांगते, ओके, I stopped listening to Arijit Singh's songs. I know it's funny, but I just stopped doing that for some couple of months, because तेच गाणं ऐकून I would go back to that phase only, आणि ते रडत रडत राहणं. So I changed my playlist, आणि I am not a person who is into English music or ढिंच्याक music. मला असे काम सॉंग्सच आवडतात. बट for some time I changed my playlist. That helped. How did you process each phase of it? Was it tough initially or throughout? Of course it was tough. It was not easy. As I said, my friends, my family, my colleagues, everyone were very supportive. And this entire process, like, itke supportive hote na ki even leaves, when I used to say ki I need a leave because I have my hearing, I had a team, okay, and trust me, each one would be ready to as a backup. So yeah, it was just, as I said, touch wood, I am always blessed with good people around me, जे मला खूप हेल्प करायचे, जे माझ्या सिच्युएशनला समजून घ्यायचे. So yeah, no questions. You're just an amazing mom and wife for sure. God bless. Thank you. I'm sure you are also a good mom and a wife. Did you for once feel that no, I cannot take this divorce, as you married him after all? Yes, I did. आय डिड फील दॅट. एक पॉईंट असा आला होता की मला वाटलं, यार खड्ड्यात गेलं हे डिवोर्स, ह्यापेक्षा तर आपण दोघं एकत्रच राहूया. लाईक लेट्स जस्ट वाय टू हॅव दिस ब्रोकन फॅमिली, लेट्स जस्ट कम अलॉंग अँड स्टे टुगेदर, फॉरगेट द वर्ल्ड. आपण आपलं एक, वील मेक आवर ओन नेस्ट अँड वील लिव्ह इन दॅट. बट that was the time when I realized that within these four walls, I will be happy with him. But the minute I step out, I won't, because life is not just beyond these four walls. You have families, you need to work, like you have other factors too. So I would just say temporary happiness च्या मागे नको जावा. Think about it, and once you step into that, complete that process. Like मी जेव्हा हा डिसिशन घेतला होता की मी डिवोर्स घेणार आहे, मी काहीतरी विचार करूनच घेतला असेल. सो आय वॉज लाईक नो, देन देर इज नो लुकिंग बॅक. आय नो टाइम्स आर टफ. कधी कधी असं मला पण वाटायचं की जाऊन दे, कशाला नको ते, या किटकिटीपेक्षा इट्स बेटर टू स्टे. बट देन आय न्यू वन्स आय जम्प इन टू इट, इट्स लाईक कसं हाउ इट इज़ कि एक बार तुमने किसी के हाथ में बंदूक दे दी, उसने वो शूट किया पर तुम्हें लगी नहीं, तो तुम वापस बंदूक उठा के उसके हाथ में दे रहे हो. ते तसं असतं. सो आय डोंट वॉन्ट दॅट यार. आणि टेम्पररी हॅपीनेस वाटतं, यू आर लोनली बेसिकली, आणि यू फील की जाऊन दे, कोणच नाही तर ॲटलिस्ट जो आहे एक कोणतरी आहे त्याच्याबरोबर तरी राहू. बट नो, दॅट असं कधीच नको करा. बी पेशंट. आणि ॲज आय सेड, आय एम शुअर रिचसारखे देवाने खूप बनवले असतील. मला माझा भेटला, तुम्हाला तुमचासुद्धा नक्कीच भेटेल. I don't want to ask you about your previous life. Tell me why you didn't come for my daughter's birthday. अरे मी गावी आली ना म्हणून नाही येऊ शकली. बट द मिनिट आय एम बॅक टू मुंबई, आय विल फॉर शुअर कम अँड मीट युअर एंटायर फॅमिली अँड युअर डॉटर. मला बरेच लोक विचारतात की शुड वी टेक अ डिवोर्स ऑर नॉट. ती लोक मला त्यांची सिच्युएशन एक्सप्लेन करतात. आणि ट्रस्ट मी, there have been around more than 50 people who have asked me till now, who have spoken to me, but I have never ever advised even a single person amongst all the questions or all the phone calls which I have received. मी कधीच कोणाला असं नाही म्हटलं की तुम्ही डिवोर्स घ्या, आणि मी ते कधीच रेकमेंड नाही करत, बिकॉज द आफ्टरमॅथ इज हॉरिबल. And trust me, it is horrible. It's not easy to live in the society being a single mother or a divorced person. But it's not impossible, but it's not easy. So आजकालच्या कपल्समध्ये थोडं ते खूपच कॉमन झालं आहे डिवोर्स घेणं. बट आय विल स्टिल टेल एव्हरीवन की तुम्ही ट्राय करा, वर्कआउट करा थिंग्स, स्पेशली इफ यू हॅव चिल्ड्रन इन्वॉल्व्ड. आणि ओनली वेन यू फील दॅट की नाही आता नाही होऊ शकत, लाईक एवढं टॉलरन्स आपल्याला, म्हणजे कसं बोलू, इट वॉन्ट बी ओके इफ आय से दॅट टॉलरन्स लेवल असलं पाहिजे. बट आय फील you should know your worth. Even if you are sacrificing or compromising anything, you should know if you're worthy enough. You should know की ते आपण का करतो, आणि समोरूनही आपल्याला तेवढं, इट शुड बी गिव्ह अँड टेक. इट शुडंट ऑलवेज बी गिव्ह और टेक. एक बॅलन्स असलं पाहिजे. हाऊ मच इज द टाइम फ्रेम फॉर डिवोर्स विथ म्युच्युअल अग्रीमेंट? So it varies from couple to couple. It took me around 6.5 years, 5.5, 6.5, 6 years. And it's not easy यार. आणि legal procedures do take time. माझ्या ह्याच्यामध्ये तर COVID was also there, during the entire pandemic. The courts were shut, आणि जे पण हिअरिंग्सचे डेट यायचे, इट वॉज दे कम अप एव्हरी 2.5 months or something. It's not easy. There are a lot of files the court also has. So it takes time. Be patient. आणि that's all. You have to be patient. तुम्ही जेवढं चिडत राहाल ना, तेवढंच तुम्हाला ते हेक्टिक वाटेल. सो टेक ईच थिंग पॉझिटिव्हली. ब्रीद इन, ब्रीद आउट, थँक गॉड, प्रे. मी खूप प्रे केलं, आणि आय डोंट नो, आय पर्सनली बिलीव इन लॉ ऑफ अट्रॅक्शन अ लॉट. सो आय यूज टू डू दॅट, आय स्टील डू दॅट. आणि people talk about black magic and all that stuff, but I am someone who believes in white magic. I don't know if असं आहे की नाही ते मला नाही माहिती, बट दॅट इज जस्ट माय बिलीफ सिस्टम. सो आय बिलीव इन वाईट मॅजिक, लॉ ऑफ अट्रॅक्शन अँड ऑल दीज थिंग्स, अँड इट डज हेल्प. टच वुड, it's always been helping till now, and I'm sure it will keep praying. Of y'all have also told me that no, we are not interested in your past and blah blah blah. So yeah, I understand the love and concern behind those messages. Thank you so much. Rij and me, we both are lucky to have y'all as our friends. So I would like to end this video over here, and thank you so much for always supporting Rij and me and sending so many messages for Hriday as well. So हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, कॉमेंट करा, शेअर करा आणि आमच्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. बाय.